Now we can access the newly deployed uh, Java web application for our bookstore from a browser like this. HTTP the hostname evergreenbooks.com, and you see the website is up and running. And you see in the home page it displays the new books, best-selling books, and most favorite books. And as a customer, I can see the various books in the category here. Category Java, you see, and I can see the details of a book, effective Java. Very good, right? So after deploy, as a web application is running exactly as in the development machine. Go to the home page, Java frameworks, see the details of the book pro spring file. You see the customer reviews. Now I want to add this book to shopping cart. You see the shopping cart details